last game against the PMMS. Siguro yung mga ganitong players coach yan yung mga biglang maganda yung pinakita sa ensayo, no? Pasok ko nga to, subukan ko nga.
Oo kasi kung ano yung pinakita mo sa ensayo, yan ang ini-expect na ipapakita mo rin ng coach mo. That's what he's expecting you to show during the game as well. Kung maganda nga naman ang pinakita, malamang maganda ipapakita nito sa laro natin.
Tsaka mataas ang moral ngayon ng mga kalasag dahil galing sila sa panalo. Byron Sanchez tries a 3, naabot at tangala.
Louis Manasan checks in for Victor Guarin. Shot clock 13 seconds.
Trying to go baseline, trying to dump it down to his teammate.
Manasan, now to Toldanes. Can't go back to back si Miko.
Third quarter.
First half of action done and dusted. Nandito ngayon tayo sa ating
that top of the key play from the inbound.
Estanislao. Vince Panis! That follow through. Guy.
You gotta locate
Vince
Panis.
If your best link. Kirog to the cutting Estoya. Estanislao kicks it out. Jedi Dever, top of the K3. Huli ito, Estoya!
To see what type of play they're going to have for this possession. Talking about Bestic College of the Philippines.
15 seconds remaining. Estanislao. They give it to Norin. Back to John. Nobody's fouling it. Panelo. Nakatapikan. Estanislao kicks it out. Panis. Nothing there. 5 seconds remaining.